Hi Scorpio, how are you doing? So today we are going to do the October love reading for you. But there is something I'd like to tell you. The cards are all lit and I had made a video, but then something happened and I couldn't save that, okay? But then the cards are still here and I just want to read this out for you. I had already channeled the messages, but I'm going to do it once again because I am having to make another video. I hope you don't mind. So at the beginning, when I had asked what is your general energy, this card had come out, Three of Swords, all right, which means that you are totally heartbroken. Why? Because your love interest, you feel, is drawing back from you, withdrawing from you, all right. And on the other hand, you are in this energy of the Knight of Cups. You have a lot of love for this person and you see, you know Two of Cups possible with this person. You see this person like your soulmate, all right. So that is the cause of major heartbreak because and yes, also the sense that I got is that get is that you are, for some reason, not being able to move towards your person. You really want to move towards your person like this Knight of Cups, and you want to offer your cup of love, and you know that if you make this offer, they are also going to offer their cup back. You will be successful, in your proposal. If you put it forward, you know that very well, but there is something which is holding you back, all right. And then when I asked, why is Eight of Cups over here, then these cards came out, these three cards, okay. One is the High Priestess, the other one is King of Cups, and the other one is Nine of Wands, all right. Heavy energy. So this simply means that you want to make this proposal. You are the King of Cups, Scorpio, okay. You have a lot of love, but you view your person like the High Priestess, very intelligent, very self-sufficient, and hence you are, intimidated to some extent. You don't know how to express your love, all right. And that is because of that delay, you are in this energy of Nine of Wands, heavy energy. So I clarified Nine of Wands and I got Eight of Swords. Eight of Swords means that, you are, in your own mental prison house. You're overthinking things. There's no real obstacle as such, but because you are overthinking, you are creating all these, bondages which are not allowing you to move towards your person. But actually that is not the reality, okay. That is what this card is telling. So if you just take your blindfold out, you'll be able to see clearly. You'll be able to see your person who will be standing right there in front of you. And then if you just move your hand, you'll find that, you are actually, your hands are actually not tied. You are totally free. You can move towards your person anytime. And once this beautiful message came, I asked the spirit guides what is the outcome. And in outcome, at the bottom of the deck, what we have is Nine of Pentacles. So clearly you both are very, very independent person, okay. Both of you both have a lot of respect for each other. If one is Nine of Pentacles, the other one is the Empress, okay. So you feel like your person is, you look at your person like the Empress, and you feel like, he or she is your intellectual match, and hence you are trying to balance things out in such a way that, you are able to create that favorable situation for you, for your relationship to flourish. And you can't wait to have this, new beginning. And definitely new beginning is there in the outcome. Passionate new beginning, all right. Something that you have been waiting for, that is there in the outcome. But definitely it will require some, level of balancing act from your and your person's side. Make sure that you are not overly confident towards your person, in your nervousness, because you look at your person like the High Priestess, like the Empress, simply because you have put them on pedestal. Do not feel too nervous, or do not try to act too smart. Try to balance, the situation out, and do make an approach towards your person, because they are right there, okay. They also look at you like the Nine of Pentacles. They have a lot of respect for you, although yes, they are impressed. They are like the Empress, although they are like the High Priestess. They wouldn't make, the approach quite easily. They would definitely want a very, very special soulmate in their life, but then you are, okay. And hence they are welcoming of you. And yes, because this card of Ace of Wands is there in the outcome, it is simply telling that you just have to go and make an approach towards your person, and your person will be, their arms will be wide open for you. they'll embrace you, and your love life will start. And then the new beginning that you'll have will be all fiery, because a lot of attraction is there. It seems like between you and your person, it is not only the spiritual connection, but physically also you both are feeling very very attracted towards each other, and that passionate new beginning is on the way, if you simply decide to come out of your prison, mental prison house. Okay, so that is the message for you, Scorpio. I hope it helps. If it does, please subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell as well. Till we meet again, bye bye.